as many entities which is present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So entities in the term, it may be an atom or molecule or anything else, whatever we are taking in this universe, as many entities, it terms, atoms, molecules or anything else. So how much amount of atoms or molecules or other entities which is present in 1 mole is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So it's a very huge value. If you are taking this 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 values, right? So the number of atoms present in 1 mole of a substance, that will be a huge value. So since atom and molecules are very small in nature, if I am taking 12 gram of carbon, the isotope of carbon will be 12. So 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 quantity of the substances. So how to calculate a mole? If we are having a definite mass, using that, how I can convert that mass into number of moles, and if I am having a volume, how I can convert this into number of moles, and I am having the elements in count or molecules in count, how I can consider this and I can convert this into number of moles. So here we are having a simple formula that 1 mole, any mole, the number of moles of the substance, is equal to the given mass of the substance, by molar mass of the respective substance. If suppose I am considering 2 gram of hydrogen, so how many moles will be present in 2 gram of hydrogen? Here I am having the mass given here is 2 gram. So 2 gram, the molar mass of hydrogen or dihydrogen, that means H2, is 2 gram per mole. So 2 gram per mole. So cancelling the units and cancelling the numbers, we can get it is 1 mole. So 1 mole of hydrogen is present in 2 gram of hydrogen. So this is how to calculate the masses to be converted into the number of moles. And here we are going to discuss how to calculate the number of moles present in the given volume of the substance. So here I will explore the formula. Number of moles with respect to volume. So number of moles with respect to volume is given volume of the substance divided by molar volume. So 1 molar volume is nothing, 22.4 liters. Put given volume of the substance divided by 22.4 liters. Let it be, if suppose the volume is given in liters or the volume is given in ml, okay, we have to consider the unit liter into 1000 ml. For example, if I am taking 200 ml of hydrogen, so 200 ml of hydrogen contains how many number of moles? How many number of moles of hydrogen gas? That means I am speaking about dihydrogen. Okay, here the given volume is 200 ml. The molar volume is 22.4 liters. I can write it as 22,400 ml because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So if you calculate, this value will give you the exactness of the number of moles which is present in 200 ml of dihydrogen. Okay, now we will check the number of moles which is present in the given quantity of the substance. If suppose a quantity of the substance is given, for example, we are having 2 into 10 to the power 3 atoms. 2 into 10 to the power 3 atoms of hydrogen. That can be taken as 2 hydrogen atom will be constituting a hydrogen molecule, or even if you are considering this hydrogen atom, consider it as hydrogen atom. So number of moles can be calculated by the given number of entities, by molar entity. One molar entity is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, if you are taking as atom. So here I can give this as the given number of entity is 2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. The same thing if I consider about a molecule. So 2 into 10 to the power 3 molecules of hydrogen. Simply change the formula. Here instead of atoms we have to consider it as molecules. So the entity will be molecules and divided by the molar entity, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 22. So here 2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power